Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over A minus S and capital B over A plus S. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about small a plus s. So capital A multiplied by A plus s. About this one, it is missing about the small a minus s. So capital B multiplied by A minus s. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So we have capital A with positive s and capital B with negative s. So A minus B. About small a, we have small a with capital A and capital B. Next, coefficient of this one, we have number 1. That means this one equals to number 1. We don't have s, so A minus B equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So we have A minus B equals to number 0. This one we have number 1. On the first equation, we put negative b go to the right, and we have 8 equals to b. Later that we put b to change for a in here. So this one we have 2b. Next, we divide both sides by 2/8. After we have 1 over 2/8, we can change for capital 8. Now we put this one go in here. So we have the final answer. Now we can do about factorization by 1 over 2/8. Now we have the formula in here. So this one I will put on the left. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.